How to remove watermark in Viggle AI. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google and search Viggle AI. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Viggle AI and then press on Try Now. In here, you'll find Remove Watermark option on bottom. Turn that on. To turn watermark on or remove watermark, you will need Viggle Pro, which is $9.99 a month for Viggle Pro, which will include all other things as well. And this is how to remove watermark in Viggle AI. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.